This is the definitive guide to solving the Dead by Daylight 102 crash after the latest update. Having personally encountered this exact issue and tested numerous approaches, I've discovered multiple effective methods to fix Dead by Daylight 102 crash after the latest update, and I'm now sharing them with you. The first method tackles corrupted or missing game files by verifying their integrity and ensuring a clean reinstallation. Another approach addresses outdated system software, specifically focusing on updating your graphics drivers and the DirectX components, which are crucial for game rendering. A third strategy involves network-related issues, including updating your network drivers and resetting your DNS to ensure stable connections to game servers. Finally, the last method suggests deeper system adjustments, such as reinstalling the game launcher and ensuring all game client components are current to resolve persistent conflicts. These comprehensive steps target the root causes, from file integrity to system compatibility, ensuring your game runs smoothly.